Hey, what's going on guys, CodeMonkeyKins here. In this video I would like to introduce a real-world web scraping project I'm currently working on for one of my clients. And the new thing about this project is that it runs completely in browser, believe it or not, using the Chrome Devtools console, and it's written in pure JavaScript, and it uses jQuery as a dependency to extract the data. And at the very end it allows user to download, well actually it downloads the data being scraped along the way automatically. So what it does, it crawls through the range of postal codes on a given site. So here we got this agileista.com, the real estate property site, Spain-based one, and if it does encounter any pagination within a given postcode, it goes through the pagination as well, and also goes recursively through every single property card listing to extract really lots of data available right over in there, and eventually it stores the data to the JSON format that can be downloaded later on, and all the process is completely automated. And one little note before I start the demonstration. So the reason for creating this sort of a scraper is to bypass an anti-scraping measure is available on this agileista.com site. And when I initially write this sort of a project in Python using the scraping framework, the problem was that I needed to use the paid proxy rotation service called Crawler API in order to bypass this anti-scraping security measures like captures, etc. So without further ado, I would actually like to demonstrate you how it works. So here is the source code, which I can share at least for now, because I don't know, like, if my client is about, if he accepts this code. In this case I won't be sharing it. If he won't accept this, in that case I will share it. So we'll see basically. And I'm not really kind of, you know, like relying on this too much, because everything can happen in a case of a massive web scraping. So it works as a matter as a proof of concept, but I have no idea how it would deal with really massive crawling. So in case of Scrapy, that's perfectly well, because Scrapy is designed for that sort of purposes, but this in-browser experience might be slightly different. So let's try to grab the entire source code from here, and then on the target site I just want to press Ctrl-Shift-I to invoke my developer tools, and I'm navigating to the console tab and just pasting the code in. And now here are my hands. I just hit enter, sit back and enjoy the show. So it goes through the range of postal codes, and then goes through all the property listing cards recursively one by one, and then it extracts the data and stores this first to a variable, then it would be downloaded. So here you can see, like, the data set is quite pretty impressive. So we got really lots of information being scraped from a given site. So this is kind of it. And now it crawled just as a proof of concept. It crawled through some of the postal codes. So you see, like, it also handles those postal codes that don't have any properties within inside. It just skips them, and this is kind of it. So it's already coming to the end, I hope. And as far as it finishes the job, a download file should appear right over here in the corner. So let's have a look if it does actually happen. Okay, and here is our file name containing the current date, by the way, the format that is preferred by my client. So here we got this really extended data being scraped from the target page. You see, like, this is intended for machine learning purposes, and obviously this sort of an approach might be used not only for this site, but basically for crawling whatever site. And again, obviously, if there are no anti-scraping measures, it's way better and way faster to use Python and, say, Scrapy framework for asynchronous HTTP requests to be done simultaneously, basically, and the results that would be literally the same. But there is some brilliancy regarding the JavaScript itself. You see, like, here say we're trying to extract the image URLs. Sorry, it's just slightly bit lower within the code, so image URLs, and we can just reference the JavaScript variable, believe it or not. So this idea list of variables stands for the current window being opened, and here we just reference the particular JavaScript variable without any need to parse it to Python dictionary like as we did in Python. And also the same regarding the coordinates. So within the window we got this map config variable that contains the JavaScript inside, and we also do extract the latitude and longitude coordinates from this sort of a map config JavaScript variable. So this is quite pretty interesting, and from the programming perspective this was an absolutely amazing experience, and I encourage you guys to try this sort of a stuff. And I'm not sure, but well, probably I would have been making some tutorials on this sort of a style of web scraping in future. Well, at least I would like to know your feedbacks within the commentaries below this video. So please feel free to share your thoughts on this topic. How do you personally consider this project? So do you like it, or maybe you think it sucks or whatever. So I would be happy to get whatever feedbacks and to read the commentaries to know your thoughts better. So this is it from my side, guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, and take care.